Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity, guys. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the AXS crypto. What's the price changes of the AXS Infinity? Let me show you guys. Absolutely, it is a high price crypto in the market and the people are 100 times things when they want to invest in AXS Infinity. So in this video I will share my personal opinion with all of you guys. First of all, I want to request you to click the subscribe button for more updates and news videos about crypto market. The current live price of the AXS Infinity is 76.18 USD dollar. That is the currently live price. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes occur in the AXS Infinity is positive. Positive changes occur in the AXS Infinity. One hour, 1 day, 1 week, whole changes is positive. And if the whole changes is positive, so this means that every time the AXS Infinity pumps, and possibilities, guys, that for a long time the price pumps. Anyways, guys, what do you think about AXS Infinity? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.